Don't throw away used plastic bottles. Learn how to make a bird feeder by following these simple steps. First, make sure you have a metal hook similar to the one shown on the screen. This will be the main support for our drinking fountain. Now, take one of the plastic bottles and with the help of a hot soldering iron, make some holes in the bottle's mouth, right next to where we placed the cap. These holes will allow birds to access water safely. Additionally, make another hole at the bottom of the bottle. This hole will be key for draining water and airing the container. Once this is done, remove the bottle cap and make a hole right in the center of it. Now, take another smaller bottle and with the help of a cutter, cut the bottom of the bottle in a circular shape as shown on the screen. Then, with the soldering iron, make another hole at the bottom of this smaller bottle. Next, you'll need a piece of rubber in a circular shape. With the soldering iron, make a hole in the center of this rubber piece. Then, take a 1-inch screw along with its washer and pass them through the rubber piece. Place this rubber piece with the screw into the hole in the cap you made earlier. Now, thread the plastic piece of the bottle you had previously cut and place the corresponding washer. This step is crucial for ensuring our feeder's stability. Set this part aside for later use. Take the metal hook we showed at the beginning and thread it through the bottom of the first bottle. Make sure it's properly secured to support the water weight. First, take a piece of rope and after tying a knot, place it on the hook. This will allow us to hang the waterer on a tree or any place you find convenient. Now, fill the bottle with enough water and place the part you had set aside earlier as a cap. Voila! Our bird feeder is ready to be used. Remember to hang the rope in a location accessible to birds, like a tree or a pole, so they can easily hydrate. If you followed all these steps, let me know by leaving the phrase, "I don't throw away the bottles." That way, I'll know you've watched the whole video.